Hello everyone, I'm Aylin. Just like every Thursday, we are here again this week with a new topic, which is intelligent addressable gas detection systems. So let's begin. First of all, intelligent addressable gas detection systems are advanced safety solutions, as you know, developed to protect lives and property by detecting hazardous gas leaks early in residential areas, also commercial buildings and industrial facilities. So since each detector in the system has its own unique address information, the location of gas alarm can be determined instantly and precisely. So the detectors continuously monitored by a central control panel and track the levels of carbon monoxide, LPG and other hazardous gases in real time. So in the event of a gas leak, the system generates audible and visual warning and integrates with ventilation systems, gas shut-off valves, and also building automation systems to quickly contain risks and offering high reliability, rapid response, and easy maintenance. Also, comprehensive event logs, and thanks to its addressable architecture, intelligent addressable gas detection systems provides a scalable and effective protection solution that meets today's safety requirements. Then, selection of a gas detector's installation location. So, priority is given to the location where the leaking gas is most likely to accumulate. So detectors should not be placed in enclosed spaces such as cabinets. One detector can protect a maximum area of 50 meters square. So even if it is very small, a separate gas detector should be used for each different space, separated by walls or partitions, maybe. So if there is a ventilation system, such as an extractor fan in the place where the gas detector will be used, the detector should not be placed closer than 1.5 meters to these. And places such as above the stove or above the range hood are also not suitable for detector installation. So detectors should be mounted far enough away from showers, sinks or wash basins that water will not splash on them. So, as an example, LPG is a butane and propane mixture detector, as it is a liquefied petroleum gas, and it is a hydrocarbon derivative, explosive gas, and it's a hazardous gas. So, consisting of a mixture of butane and propane, and its relative density is 1.86. So air's relative density is 1, so it is heavier than air. So because LPG is heavier than air, the detector should be mounted 15 to 25 centimeters above the ground and approximately 150 centimeters horizontally away from the gas source. So here you can see a loop example. Early detection and centralized management of gas leaks in residential buildings has become a critical security requirement. So smart addressable gas detection systems offer much more advanced monitoring, control, and intervention capabilities compared to traditional standalone gas detectors. So first one is precisely locates the source of the alarm in addressable systems. Each gas detector has a unique address, as you know. For example, in case of an alarm, the system can provide precise location information, such as floor 1, apartment 48, kitchen gas detector, or floor 2, apartment 72, boiler room, maybe. And this allows security systems or technical personnel to be directed directly to the point where the incident occurred. Gas The second opportunity is it provides centralized monitoring and management. So all detectors can be monitored via the addressable gas alarm control panel located at the building entrance or security center. And alarm situations, fault information, communication errors, and maintenance needs are monitored from a single point. So this provides a significant operational advantage, especially in high-rise buildings with hundreds of apartments, hundreds of floors. Then third one, it provides early intervention opportunity. So when a gas leak is detected, the system not only gives an alarm, it can activate ventilation systems on a floor-by-floor basis, or it can close gas shut-off valves, or it can activate audible and visual warning systems and start the evacuation. And also it can send information to the building automation system. So in this way, the risk can be brought under control before it escalates. Fourth one is it provides high reliability. So thanks to the loop architecture used in addressable systems, as you see in here, the line is constantly monitored. So possible cable breaks, short circuits, or device malfunctions are detected immediately. So this feature ensures that the security system remains constantly operational in high-rise buildings. Then the fifth one is less cabling and easy installation. So multiple detectors can communicate over a single loop line. In this way, the amount of cabling is reduced, shaft passages are facilitated, and also installation time is shortened. Then, of course, labor costs are reduced. So it provides a significant cost advantage, especially in multi-story, multi-building projects. So the sixth one, it offers a scalable and flexible structure. So later, the following can be easily added to the building, such as new apartments, common area detectors, technical rooms, or another type of devices. So parking lot gas detectors, the capacity can be increased without changing the existing, the old system. Then we have seventh and eighth one. The seventh one is facilitates maintenance and fault tracking. So addressable systems can directly show which device is malfunctioning or requires maintenance. As you know, for example, 23rd floor, apartment 91, gas detector, communication error, or detailed information can be obtained in this way. So this reduces the maintenance times, of course, and also operating costs. Then the last one, the eighth one, is it works integrated with smart building systems. So addressable gas detection systems can work integrated with fire detection systems and also building automation. And another example is SCADA software. So the other one is remote monitoring platforms. We can extend the examples, of course. And thanks to this integration, building security can be managed from a single center. So to sum up, smart addressable gas detection systems in residential buildings, it offers significant advantages, such as early detection, pinpoint the address information, centralized management, automated intervention, high reliability, low operating costs, and easy tracking. Especially in buildings with numerous independent units, addressable systems are one of the most suitable solutions for effectively ensuring the gas safety and quickly responding to emergencies. Yes. The other installation example is a garage, car parking area. As you know, it is a carbon monoxide detector. So it is a toxic as well as dangerous gas with explosive properties. So its relative density is 0.97. It's nearly same with air's. So since carbon monoxide has approximately the same weight as air, the detector should be mounted approximately 150 centimeters above the ground and approximately 150 centimeters horizontally away from the gas source. So it's like a human height actually. Yes. Then we have the parking garage example. So it is consists of 3 different floors. The red loop represents the communication and power line that runs through all floors. And gas detectors, input-output modules, and other field equipment can be connected to this loop on each floor. So the loop is not open-ended. The end of the line returns to the control panel. So this ensures continuous line continuity. So the control panel communicates bidirectionally with all devices on the loop. Let's have a look at the advantages of the addressable gas detection systems. So first one is precise determination of the alarm point. While conventional systems know which area the alarm occurred in, and addressable systems allow the precise address of the alarm inducing device to be seen. For example, B1 floor detector 05 or B2 floor detector 12, B3 floor detector 18. And this allows for pinpoint information to be obtained, and this enables intervention teams to be directed directly to the incident location. The second one is faster response. Since the floor and point where the gas alarm occurred are instantly displayed, the response time is shortened. So ventilation systems can be activated in the relevant area, or gas shut-off valves can be operated. Technical teams can be directed directly to the scene, and this significantly reduces the intervention time. So the third one is cable savings and simpler infrastructure. So we mentioned these advantages. So to sum up, thanks to the addressable structure, the alarm point is precisely determined, intervention time is shortened, cabling costs are reduced, and system reliability is significantly increased. So intelligent addressable gas detection systems can integrate not only with the addressable detectors, but also with X-proof, explosive atmosphere compliant gas detectors via modules for over 20 milliamperes or contact output signals from X-proof detectors are detected by addressable input modules and transmitted to the addressable gas detection panel. Thus, X-proof detectors used in hazardous areas become part of the system, and alarm, fault, and status information can be monitored from a single central point. And this structure provides centralized management and high security advantages, especially in industrial applications such as refineries, petrochemical plants, LPG storage areas, and production facilities. A one system example. So here is the carbon monoxide detector, and we have the LPG detector. All of them is in a loop. They are in a loop, and the loop is turning to panel, the end of the line, and it communicates with the modules, the relay modules, monitoring modules, and the X-proof detectors are in the same loop also. So, in details, the addressable gas control unit at the heart of the system continuously monitors the addressable gas detectors, sounders, or beacons, and various input-output modules via a loop. And X-proof gas detectors designed for explosive environments are integrated into the system via 4 to 20 milliamperes input modules. So this allows analog gas concentration information from the field to be transmitted to the addressable system. Furthermore, the gas detection system not only generates alarms but also performs various control functions. And thanks to relay control modules, jet fans, ventilation systems, gas shutoff valves, or other safety equipment can be automatically activated. Also, we have contact monitoring modules. These are continuously monitors fan failures, valve positions, or status information from the other field's equipment and transmit it into the panel. Thus, the facility's safety infrastructure not only monitors gas levels but also tracks the operational status of the relevant equipment and another important events. So the other one is the system's ability to transfer alarm and event information to the graphical monitoring software. Also, operators can view all detectors, modules, and field equipment in real time via a computer and centrally manage. So this structure provides high security and rapid response capabilities, especially in industrial applications such as refineries, petrochemical plants, power plants, LPG storage areas, paint production facilities, and similar locations. So in summary, this diagram demonstrates that, and thanks to the module-based architecture of the addressable gas detection systems, both addressable detectors and analog gas detectors, also flame detectors used in X-proof areas, can be brought together under a single platform, and it provides central monitoring, alarm management, and automation control. So this approach offers higher security and easier maintenance, also more effective operational management. Thanks for your participation. See you next week at 11 a.m.